AliExpress is huge. It's one of the largest online retail platforms in the world. It's like a giant online bazaar, but instead of spices and rugs, it sells everything. From electronics to fashion, home goods to toys, you can find almost anything. From gadgets to clothes, you name it, they have it. The variety is truly astounding, catering to every need and preference. Millions of people around the world shop on AliExpress. It's a global phenomenon connecting buyers and sellers from every corner of the globe. Why? Because it connects them directly to manufacturers in China and other countries. This direct connection cuts out the middlemen. This means amazing deals on a massive selection of products. You can find items at prices that are hard to beat. Think of it this way: less middlemen, lower prices. It's a win-win for both buyers and sellers. And we all love a good deal, right? The joy of receiving a package and unboxing it is universal. AliExpress ships to over 200 countries and regions. No matter where you are, you can access this vast marketplace. That's a whole lot of shoppers looking for the best products. The sheer volume of transactions is mind-boggling. Navigating this massive marketplace can feel overwhelming, but don't worry. There are tools and tips to help you. There are ways to find the hidden gems, the top-selling products that everyone wants. Reviews and ratings can guide you. That's what we're going to dive into right now. We'll show you how to make the most of your shopping experience. Get ready to become an AliExpress pro. With a few tips and tricks, you'll be navigating like a seasoned shopper in no time. So, you're ready to conquer AliExpress. Smart move. But hold on a second. Before you jump in, let's talk strategy. It's not just about diving in headfirst. Why is it crucial to zero in on top-selling products? Simple. They're popular for a reason. People love them. They meet a need or solve a problem. They're buying them like hotcakes. This means there's a proven demand. And that's a goldmine of information for you. You can analyze trends and customer preferences. Top sellers reveal what's hot, what's trending, and what people actually want. This insight is invaluable. This means less risk for you. You can make informed decisions, less wondering if your product will be a hit or a miss. You have data backing you up. By tapping into the power of top sellers, you're essentially letting the market guide you to success. It's a smart, strategic move. AliExpress doesn't hide its top sellers. In fact, it wants you to find them. It's all about understanding the platform's secrets. First up, the best-selling category. It's like a treasure chest of popular products just waiting to be opened. Browse through different categories to see what's hot. Next, pay attention to product pages. Look for the number of orders. The higher the number, the more popular the product. Don't forget about reviews. Real people, real opinions. Use them to gauge product quality and customer satisfaction. Section 4. Tools for the savvy AliExpress shopper. Want to take your AliExpress game to the next level? Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, there's always room for improvement. Of course you do. That's why you're here, eager to learn and grow. Luckily, there are awesome tools and websites designed to make your life easier and your shopping experience more efficient. Think of them as your secret weapons for finding winning products and staying ahead of the competition. One of my favorites is Google Trends. It's not just a tool, it's a goldmine for understanding what people are searching for online. Type in a product idea and see its popularity over time. This can help you gauge demand and plan your inventory. Another powerful tool is AliExpress's own search bar. It's more than just a search function. Use keywords related to your niche and filter the results by orders to see what's trending. This way you get an instant list of top sellers, making it easier to decide what to stock. Boom, instant list of top sellers. With these tools, you're well on your way to becoming a savvy AliExpress shopper. Section 5. Your AliExpress adventure starts now. Congratulations. You're now armed with the knowledge to navigate AliExpress like a pro. Remember, finding top-selling products is like unlocking a cheat code to success. It's about understanding your customers, spotting trends, and using the right tools to your advantage. Don't be afraid to experiment, try new things, and most importantly, have fun. AliExpress is your oyster. Go out there and crush it.